It's August 28th, 2022. A lot more raspberries has matured, and these can be harvested today. And here's a lot more of the raspberries. Over here's a lot more tomatoes. Gonna harvest a lot of them again today. Here you can see a whole bunch of tomatoes. And also here's the asparagus. It's sending out a few new sprouts. These ones over here. Gonna harvest these today as well. Also, let's take a look at the peppers. These shishito peppers looks pretty ready to be harvested. Here's the Cuban sweet pepper. This one has finally started turning red. Quite some beautiful colors. Here's a few more of the Cuban sweet pepper. Here's the moss rose, more flower buds, and here's some of the flowers that have opened. It's quite beautiful. You can see the color of the petals, and some of them has some nice patterns on the petals. Over here's the rhubarb, huge leaves as usual, and the leaf stalks looks quite nice. Gonna harvest some of these today as well. And for the indoor garden, here we have some tiny pitchers forming from the new growth from the pitcher plants. Here's another tiny pitcher, super tiny, comparing to these big ones, of course. Here's a new pitcher forming from one of the plants. And this one is dying off. And this is the harvest I did today, August 28th. A huge bunch of tomatoes, tiny bit of blueberries and some raspberries, some asparagus, and some rhubarb. Also made some harvests earlier this week. Here are some raspberries, and also harvested some potatoes. The potato plants have started to die off, and basically I just pull the plants up and you can get some potatoes.